Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, and remember to share this video. So I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart. So this is just a sample data of maybe a company which showing their budget allocation for marketing, operations, salaries, and miscellaneous. So let me enlarge this column to be a bit wider so you can see the word miscellaneous. Yes, so when we want to create a pie chart, as we have been doing with other videos of creating a chart, we have to highlight all the data that we have that we want to include in the chart. We click on insert, we go to recommended charts, and we choose the chart we want. Now we want a pie chart, but for me I don't want this simple pie chart. So I want it to be 3D. So this is how you insert for the simple pie chart. But if you want something fancy, you can come and create all charts, then go pie, then this one 3D. I prefer 3D. And then I say okay. And with that we have our pie chart. This is a 3D pie chart. When you get this 3D pie chart, we have to choose a design that shows what these pieces are, these slices are. So you decide and come and choose like this one. I can decide to use this one. Yes, and then when you use this one, it's good to show the values in this one. So they're called data values. I just click here, data values, and then I say I want to see more options. On the more options, you select what you want to see. I want to see the value, and I also want to see the percentages. And that's how we create the pie chart. Also, we can make it more stunning. If you want to make it more stunning, we can slice this one to be out. We can click on this one. No, I just want one slice like this one. You see, it's already selected on this one for operations. Then on slice angle explosion, we can explode it a bit. Let's say maybe 5, like that. And then we can also increase the angle. Let's reduce the angle. Let's increase it maybe to 5. Yes, and that's how you make your pie chart to be much interesting. Since I said this is a budget section, you can say our title is, the title of the chart is budget allocation. Yes, remember to always select your chart like that, then come to here to home, make it 12, and then make it times New Roman. Then also for the data set, write all the data sets, convert them to times New Roman and increase the font to 12. So I do 12. I prefer times New Roman because it makes the data to look much appealing. Yes, now we can enlarge our data to fit everything that is needed. Yes, and making it much interesting like that. And that's our pie chart there. Thank you for subscribing, for viewing this, watching this video. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.